Alright, so we're checking out the 2025 Audi SQ7. This is in Daytona Pearl with the black interior. And we're actually going to get a nice sound of the motor here in a second. So I just wanted to show the car first on the outside. Got the red calipers and so forth. The front end's been completely redone for the 25 model year with the new grille design and your new headlight modules and new intakes. And then we're going to come back over here and show it all the way around. So we're going to get a clip of the V8 here in a moment. So new taillights, and we got the quad exhaust. So here we go, we're going to get it started up. Alright. There we go, so we get a little bit of view of the car. Have it. So there's the sound of the V8 twin turbo 4.0. All right, so 2025 SQ7 side profile. And one more time, we'll hear the exhaust. Alright, so thanks for tuning in and have a wonderful day, okay?